Trump nominates Stephen Miran as Council of Economic Advisors chairman. I'm a huge believer in innovation, empowering the betterment of mankind and increasing prosperity, Miran recently said in a podcast. President-elect Trump nominated economist and former advisor Stephen Miran as the chairman of the Council of Economic Advisors, which will counsel the executive branch on economic policy and strategy, in a December 22 social media announcement. Miran previously served as a senior advisor for economic policy at the United States Treasury Department under the first Trump administration. During a recent episode of the Bitcoin Layer podcast, Miran said the United States should focus on pro-innovation policies and told the podcast host, "Many in the crypto community celebrated the nomination of Miran as a positive development for the crypto industry, as Donald Trump continues to select pro-crypto and pro-innovation officials for his cabinet." Trump nominates pro-crypto individuals for second administration. Donald Trump nominated Paul Atkins to replace Gary Gensler as the chairman of the Securities and Exchange Commission, or SEC, on December 4, 2024. The president-elect cited Atkins's previous experience as an SEC commissioner from 2002 to 2008, and his understanding of digital assets through his role as the co-chairman of the Digital Chambers Token Alliance, as the reasons for the nomination. On December 6, Trump nominated David Sachs as AI and crypto czar, the lead policy advisor for artificial intelligence and digital assets. Sachs is pro-crypto and previously served as PayPal's chief operating officer. During an appearance on Anthony Pompliano's podcast, Sachs argued that Bitcoin could separate money and state due to its neutral, decentralized nature. Trump's pro-crypto appointments and the potential creation of a Bitcoin strategic reserve have caused analysts and pundits to forecast a seven-figure price for BTC. Cathie Wood, founder of asset manager ARK Invest, predicted a $1 million Bitcoin price by 2030 due to the pro-crypto policies of the incoming Trump administration. Eric Trump, the son of the president-elect, also said the price per Bitcoin would hit $1 million per coin due to supply scarcity.